I just recently got a toolbox from Northern Tool and shipped it to my house instead of the shop, and now we have to load it into my truck. So my brother is loading it with the mini excavator.
Forged Earthworks to the rescue. Toolbox is loaded up, ready to go to the Crazy K shop.
Bandit and I just got a new toolbox from Northern Tool, so let's unbox it and check it out. This is the Strongway 7-drawer tool cabinet from Northern Tool. You gotta put some wheels on it. Comes with a full power drawer too for all of your power tools, and there's also some hangers down there for all of your Milwaukee tools. We are putting all of the casters on now so we can roll it anywhere we need in the shop. It comes with the casters and this cool little handle so you can drag it around easy. Now we're ready to load her up with all the tools. So since I'm a custom painter, it really only makes sense that we throw a couple lines on this thing before we put tools in it. So I brought all my pinstriping stuff so that we can spice it up a little bit. I haven't really decided what colors I want to do yet, but we have quite the options to pick from here. So I think I'm gonna go with some orange and then maybe some aqua. Orange for some reason goes really good on blue to me, and I think it's because of NOS, but I think it'd be kind of sick. So let's lay some lines on this thing. So I just pinstriped this other side and I took a picture so that I can kind of mirror it and do the same thing on this side. And then we're gonna add some extra stuff the rest of the way around. These drawers are actually super awesome because you can just flip these little tabs up and pull them right out. And now I can do another design on the front of this one. The thing about pinstriping is consistency is key through the way you palette your brush, the way you reduce it. It's very challenging, but it's very fun and therapeutic when you can kind of get it down. So I just wanted to do a couple of simple pinstripe designs for now until I add my logo to it, but here's the final product. Now for the second fun part, let's fill it up with all my tools. So I am a huge fan of these gear wrench foam tool sets. It is a huge time saver in not only organizing, but anytime you need to move to a new toolbox. This is a perfect little work around the shop cart if you like something that you can push around easy, it's not too big, and you even have a little workbench on the top. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you have any tool needs, toolbox needs, anything you need for your shop or your workspace, I highly recommend you go check out Northern Tool. They have pretty much anything you could think of. All right, now it's time to get back to work.